It is widely speculated that people living in poor nations could miss out on the chance of getting vaccinated against COVID-19 next year because rich countries have hoarded far more doses than they need. To date, Britain and Bahrain have given the green light for the usage of Pfizer Inc. COVID-19 vaccine, with initial shots already administered across their countries. Canada on Wednesday approved of the vaccine and will start mass vaccination next week. To date, Canada and Bahrain have given the green light for the usage of the Pfizer Inc.'s COVID-19 vaccine, with initial shots already administered across their countries. Canada on Wednesday approved the vaccine and will start mass vaccination next week. Amid fear that Guyana will lose the battle among larger countries to secure sufficient doses of vaccines, Health Minister Dr. Frank Anthony stated that through the COVAX facility, Guyana is among the list of International Development Association IDA eligible countries to receive free vaccines.
COVAX is going to ensure that countries get about 20 vaccines or doses for about 20% of its population in 2021.
With many wondering about the potential side effects of the vaccine, the health minister explained that through COVAX, several vaccine suppliers are under consideration. However, no vaccines have been approved for Guyana as yet. He explained that without the confirmation from COVAX, local health officials will not be able to determine the way forward. Health officials, the minister said, will prepare a rollout plan to educate nationals about the benefits of the vaccinations after official approval is given.
In the portfolio of COVAX, they are currently finalizing that portfolio. And therefore, when we get vaccines, it can be a mixture of vaccines. Some might be, different types of vaccines. So we'll wait and see what the final portfolio would look like. And then we'll be able to run a proper education program with our population.
So far, Guyana has identified its priority group as healthcare workers and the elderly population for the COVID-19 vaccine. Meanwhile, Minister Anthony projected a spike in cases in the new year if Guyanese do not modify their behavior during this Christmas season. He called for the populace to be gone with the tradition of window shopping and other activities synonymous with this season.
We haven't been able to get a vaccine as yet, so we haven't immunized anybody as yet. And therefore, those precautions that we were talking about since March, people still have to abide by them.
For the HGP Nightly News, Amel Griffith.